Hi all, I just want to make a quick video clarifying how to upload your Taskstream certificate, or pardon me, your ProeEthica certificate to Taskstream. So when you log in to Taskstream, you should have your portfolio title here. I'm just in elementary ed right now, but you should see the list of courses that you have on your left-hand side. You've got general information and then all this other stuff before we start with EDU 203 and then 204. Now, it makes sense for you to click on 204, but that's not actually where you're going to submit it. We're going to go back up to Dispositions and Attitudes, drop down, and then we find Dispositions-ProeEthica right here. So we're going to click on that. That opens this page here, and all we're going to do is upload your certificate as an attachment. So you click on Attachments and upload it there directly, and then make sure that you select me as your evaluator. So I'll show you real quick how to do that. So we upload from a computer, and then from there it'll give you a long list of who you can upload to. You'll select me, Michael Curry, as your evaluator, and then I'll get a notification that you've sent it to me, and we'll be all good to go. So anyway, super easy. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Thanks.